What's up, people? So finally my trailer collapsed. I had this trailer for a while. I changed it with another boat, and it was fine, but there's some rot spots, and I was like, whatever, I'll fix it later. But finally this thing broke. Look at all that. It must be with the storm, the last storm that came here. There was a lot of wind and the boat was shaking a lot. So stay with me, and I'm gonna show you how I have it done, just in case you run into the same problem. It's not that hard. It's just the only problem is the boat is still in the trailer. So I don't know if I'm gonna put the boat up in the ramp and the water and do it, or I can jack it up and do it over here. Let's see.
Hello, this is Carlos with CP Marine and the Small Boat Repair Channel.
Start taking everything off. Here you see some rust here. You see how rust this thing was. I got the spare tire, everything just with a 19 socket, and impact gun makes it really easy. And I got everything now out. See, everything's loose here. For now, I got this big bolt here. It's all rusted. Let me see if I can get it out with the gun. If not, I'm gonna have to cut it. And it didn't work. It didn't work with the impact gun. Let me try this. Finally got it out. Look at all this rusted thing. It's stuck there. Best tool. All right, now I gotta get this pulled off and change this big bar here. Take a look how bad this thing was. That's from the bottom. I couldn't see it. I had the spare tire on and all that. I knew there was some rust in there, but I didn't know it was that bad. So this is a new one here. I got it from Deerfield Beach Trailer. It's a great company. I recommend it 100%. 5-star review, man. These guys were very helpful. They knew exactly what I need, and yeah, they give me the right stuff and a good price. So this is how it comes out. You know, just once you get that bolt off, you get this. You know, you gotta slide the pipe in right here, and then bolt it back in there, and then you can start putting it back together. It's not that hard. It's just if you have the right tools, you know, it's gonna be much easier. So the new one, this bar, the new one is longer. It's 1 feet longer. They didn't have a shorter one, but you know, it's not a big deal because you can just measure it and cut it. I measure it here, and this is the mark, and I'm gonna cut it. Some people want that one longer. It's because the condition of their boat ramp maybe not the best. You know, they don't clean it much, so they don't want to bring the truck all the way in. But in my case, it was fine, and my boat ramp is perfect size. So I'm just gonna cut it and leave it exactly the way it was. One more time, one of my favorite tools to do the job. Cut right now, and now I gotta attach this from the old part that I have here. This is just the one that goes to the truck. All I gotta do is put it in and mark it, which I already did, and start drilling, and that's it. Okay, so I got everything in the front set up just the way it was. I like it, it looks pretty clean. It wasn't really hard. It's just if you have the right tools, you're gonna do it right. If not, it may take longer. But I got all set up. Now I gotta work on these here in the back. This is what I think is gonna be hard. So I know how I can lift up the boat, put some wood here, but still this is very heavy. So let me get going, and I'll show you how I had it done. Okay, so we finally got it out. So what we did, we strapped these the wood to the boat so they stay up, and we cut everything, all the clamps we cut it because there's no point to save them. And now we're just gonna install the new bar, and we're gonna do the same on the front. So you see how this thing broke here? I had to put this metal plate here in order for me to move it, because I thought it was, gonna break all the way. It was gonna be hard for me to repair in the place where it was. So I had to put this to move a little bit so I can do the repair. I got everything ready in the back. It looks much better. And now I gotta work on the front. But at least I can move the trailer now. It's movable, it's gonna be easy for me to work on the front, so I can place it in a better place and do the job. Well, so far I'm very happy with the results. It's not easy, I mean, it's not that hard, but it's just a lot of rust and stuff like that. That's the hard part. But it can be done, and it's necessary, especially, you know, when everything is rusted and you use the boat so much, or sometimes you don't use it and then you realize it's all rusted, and when you want to use it, this thing breaks. Right, I got the front set up. What I'm gonna do is, since I know my boat is sitting in here, I'm gonna put a jack down there and then gonna start cutting. And I think that's gonna do the job. And also I got a jack in the back right here for safety. So as you can see here, the boat is not even touching this. It's a little touching a little bit on the other side, but I think it's gonna be alright. So let's see how it goes. So I got everything set up, everything went very smooth. Everything fit perfect. Nothing crazy. And then I just put the U back, the new ones. And I'm pretty much set up. I gotta do this one, but I'm gonna do later. Yeah, because I gotta drill. Like, it's gonna be a little longer job, and today I have to work on other stuff. So, let's see, I'll show you then. Yeah, look at all those tubes. That's what happened. And it was hard to see because it was right in the U. Here too, it's about to break as well. Wow. Right in the U. Okay, so I got everything ready. Everything's set up. The trailer now is safe. I can take this thing to the keys if I want. And a boat like this size at 19 is fine. You still can do it in the trailer. Make sure safety first. Get a couple jacks and jack stands. If you have a bigger one, I won't recommend it. You're gonna have to take the boat out of the trailer. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.